guys, welcome back. I just got it back and I just barely got it like a couple of hours ago in my mail, and I thought you might want to see what I got. This is a bag from Rad Rev. I have all of the information about it right here. We're gonna do on the body shots. We will talk about dimensions, materials. I'll tell you about the texture. I'll give you lots of close-ups, show you the interior of the bag, and we'll pack up the bag. So if that is something that you'd like to see regarding the Rad Rev pocket bag in matte black, then just keep watching. This bag just launched on Monday. Today is Thursday, so I just received it. This bag has already come in a previous version that was black. This time it's the matte black. So I have another wallet here that I'm going to show you so we can compare the texture of the regular black, which is more of a pebbled, shinier texture, to this matte black version, which is smoother but has variation in color, and we'll go over that. But first we need to open this bag, and can we also just talk about this adorable packaging, because I'm here for the daisies. This is so cute. Okay, so let's break into this thing. We don't have my beautiful pearl handle stiletto knife today. We have a camping knife by True. Somebody asked on one of my other videos, so I thought you might want to know. Apparently this one needs to be a little sharper. Here we go, we have our sticker. Okay, and I actually just barely did another bag review. I think I'm actually gonna load it after this one. This bag is the most recent bag, and I think it's one that you guys would be more interested in, so I'm gonna upload this review first. But I did just purchase this one. It's the OG Mini in sand, and it's gorgeous, and it's been on sale. Let me just check and make sure it's still in stock. And it is currently still on sale for $75, and normally it retails for $95. It's a gorgeous bag. I've been carrying it around and I absolutely love it. So just in case you're wondering about that one, I'll make sure to load that review next. If you want information about what she is launching every single Monday, or about restocks or things that go on sale, the best place to find out is on her Instagram. So Mallory Boren on Instagram. Oh my gosh, guys. I've only been purchasing Rad Rev bags for a little while now because they're just gorgeous and they're honestly so durable, but this is beautiful. She said that the reason she called this a pocket bag is because she used it as her mom pocket bag, so she put this inside her other bag with her own personal things in it, so that when she goes somewhere she can just take this out, wear it as a crossbody, put it back in the main bag when she's got to carry everything else when she's got her kids. So I thought that was very functional and also just a great size. I'm going to show you it with diapers inside just so you can get an idea if you're hoping to use this as a diaper bag. I have 4 kids, and so I wouldn't carry this as my main bag, but I definitely could see carrying this as like a quick out and about bag. Should we take the little sticker off? And then here's a good close-up of this texture. So it is a matte leather, and this one actually is pretty solid in the color. It gets the shine on it, makes it appear like it's got variation in color, but it really is solid. The texture is very subtle, and I like it better than the regular black texture. Even though I do have a few bags in this regular black texture, I do like it too, and I find that it's lasted through everything. Like my kids climb on my OG, my regular OG and my OG Mini. I put it in the car and they climb all over it, and it's been totally fine. The studs are fine. In fact, I haven't even had the studs wear off. They don't fade or anything. The clasps on these, I've noticed, this one hasn't had any problems, but my gold one has gotten scratched up, if you can see that. So that's something to keep in mind, but this one doesn't have any of that, so I imagine it will be fine. All right, let's open up the interior. We'll get the strap out, see what it looks like. And this is one thing I liked about this bag, is that it's a little more stylish. It's got this chain here. It's a gunmetal chain that matches the logo on the front. I like this logo too. So usually she has it stamped like this. So it's very subtle, stamped right in there. This time around, oh, and then on these, it's been on the clasp right here, and it's a different font as well. thought this was really pretty. And this is the canvas crossbody, and this one has, it's like a stamped leather patch. And I did like that one too. I thought it was cute. But this one, I like it. I think it's cute. So right on the back here, we have some D-rings. So the chain just clasps on to those right back here. I do believe you can wear this as a belt bag, so I'll make sure to wear it like that so you can see and decide how you like it like that. And let's talk about dimensions. So this bag, it says the dimensions are approximately 9 inches by 6 inches by 1 inch deep. And then the chain itself can go up to 54 inches. So I'm gonna just measure that real quick. I have my tape measure, we're gonna double check. Looks like it's actually a little bit over. I definitely think 9 inches is, if you fill it up and it's stretched out so that the sides are not kind of poking out and adding to this, 9 inches. It's not like that, they didn't skimp on that. Ooh, they didn't skimp on that, that's definitely 9 inches. Let's check this direction. Yeah, like it's even a hair over, I would say. A hair over 6 inches, a hair over 9 inches. Width-wise, I don't even know how they're measuring. How are they measuring this width? Yeah, I mean, I guess an inch would be fine. It's really hard to tell because it's squished flat like this. So who knows? Here's a comparison of the textures. So you can kind of get an idea. See if there's one you like better than the other. Now, as far as materials go, let's talk about what this is made out of. It doesn't say. Let's check and see if any of their other bags say what the material is for this matte material. You guys, the sling wallet in sand is also on sale. I really want to buy that one. It's really pretty. Oh yeah, and just so you know, once the protective film is removed from the buckle, you're not eligible for a return anymore. So don't take that off if you're planning to send it back. Right? It doesn't have any specifications about what the material is. I do know it's vegan leather. Every leather bag on Rad Rev's website is of vegan leather. She doesn't do any real leather bags. So I don't know years and years from now how these will hold up, but I can tell you they have held up through a lot, like a lot. I put them through the ringer with 4 kids and getting tossed around in my car and on the stroller and me just carrying them everywhere. They go through a lot and they handle it all beautifully. All my bags are great. The only sign of wear that I've ever seen is seriously this clasp on my crossbody. I did want to give you some size comparisons. So let's look at a few similar bags by Rad Rev. So she has her sling wallet, and I have a sling wallet here. I did similar colors so that the color wouldn't throw you off on the size. So here's side by side next to the sling wallet. This one is bigger up and down. It's not as thick. This has 2 zipper compartments, like main big zipper compartments along with the little front pouch there. This one has 1 main zipper compartment, but it also has a slot in the back and the zipper compartment across the front that's smaller. Size-wise though, as far as what they can carry, these are very similar. This one looks thinner, but I think it makes up for it in height. So I think it would be totally fine. So that is the sling wallet. That's the black on black. This is the 4-in-1 wallet. I don't have this in black, so we'll just have to look at this in the pink color. So similar in size. This one always was the smallest of all of these crossbody wallet type bags. So, I mean, thickness wise, this just doesn't have the means to expand like this one will. So you're gonna have less space with this one. I do think this is a nice upgrade from this, but this has its own purposes, you know, but they're similar in size. Let me just show you with this one in front of this so you can kind of get a better idea. So if I line them up along the bottom and we'll put it up along the right-hand side, there's the size difference you're getting. So we've got about that much space over here, about an inch, a little over that, about an inch and a half, almost 2 inches above the wallet size-wise. And then we also have, this is the canvas sling wallet or the casual sling wallet. And I love this one. I wanted to get a neoprene one. They do have neoprene, so look for that. I would look for one of those neoprene sling wallets for summertime, because those are gonna be so handy if you're around the water a lot, or for swimming lessons. If you need like a little quick bag, and you don't want a whole beach bag, or something to go with your beach bag. Okay, so very comparable in size. I do feel like this is a much dressier option. It's, I think, even dressier than this. So, and I think that's what she was going for with this chain right here. Beautiful bag. Let's see what it can fit inside it. And I do appreciate that this is very adjustable, this strap. So it's got this little gunmetal slider here, so it can go pretty far. So I'm gonna take a few things out of my current diaper bag and see what we can get in this. Let's see what we would normally carry, but especially, I know you wanna know if you can fit a diaper and wipes. So we're gonna check that out. Lip gloss, some cards. So we're gonna shove this in here. Let's see what, oh yeah, no, there's not even a problem. That's gonna go in there without any issues. I kind of don't like that this zipper stops right here. I mean, it's probably not too much of a problem in real life, but it's driving me nuts right now. I feel like it should go down as far as it does on this side. Like on this side, it goes all the way down. On this side, it stops hard before the turn ends, you know? So you feel like you can't quite open it all the way. That's bugging me, but it's not like a real issue. And this is like a half full package of Kirkland wipes from Costco. So, oh yeah, as it fits. It fits and it's not bad. I'm surprised at how well this bag does being stuffed. Like, it doesn't look like it's stuffed. Let's zip it up. If you wanted to bring, that's only one diaper, but if you were doing like a quick little run, you could definitely fit another diaper in there. That's awesome. Okay, so let's add a couple more things, because you're not gonna just have a diaper. You can have some stuff. So we'll put our cards in. There's card slots on the main pouch right here. So lip gloss. Honestly, if you have wipes in there, it is gonna be trickier, but it's doable. Okay, we've got gum, lip gloss, diaper, cards, wipes, and this is the trick. Will it fit my phone? I love that there's a slip pocket here so you can stash your phone. I'm on my my 1.5-year-old. We're getting close to being out of diaper stage, and I'm so here for it. I'm really looking forward to this. I'm done. I'm so done changing diapers. Ah, okay. So there it is, packed all the way full. It's got diaper, wipes. There's like a tiny bit of puckering along the top once I add my phone on top of wipes and diaper. It's doable. But let's take that out and let's just pack it up. I mean, you really could have one of those little reusable tiny wipes cases that you just put like a few in there, and this would be a lot better. Okay, we're gonna chuck in some regular stuff. Phone charger, lip gloss, we'll stick in the front with the gum. Where's my knife? Some dollar bills in here. Okay, knife and keys. Ooh, there's a little zipper pocket on the interior. It's nice. Okay, and my phone is still in here. My keys, let me grab my keys, hold on. Okay, this bag is so cute. Perfect. Okay, this is gorgeous. Like, I'm gonna be looking for every opportunity to use this bag. But I'm loving this bag too so much right now, so when I have my kids, I'll be carrying this. When I don't, I'll be carrying this. Here you go. There's a close-up of it full. It's got a big hefty phone charger by Ulanzi, I believe. It's got like the 3 different types of charging cables attached inside. It's thick, it's like a little brick, and it's the same, I mean, it's not for a phone charger, but it's about the same size as my phone, which shows you how much this thing can handle. I love the gunmetal details on it. I love this slip pouch, because I hate when I have to unzip it to get my phone out, but I like that it's against your body so you can reach it. It's not as accessible to everybody else. Very nice bag. All right, let's do some on the body shots. I'll do some close-ups of the interior. I will also show you close-ups of packing it, the hardware, everything, and then we'll meet back here. think I can quite wear it as a belt bag. But I think if you're a little bit thicker than me, then this will be perfect. Also, I will be sure to leave a discount code or link in the description box below, so don't forget to check that so you can save yourself some money, and it also helps my channel so I can make more of these videos. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this review is helpful for you. If you have a bag that you want me to review, please let me know in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up. I'm trying to grow my channel, so if you could please hit the subscribe button, that would help me out a ton. And then watch out for my future videos because I'll make sure to give you lots of helpful reviews. I want to give you every detail that you ever wanted to know about whatever bag you wanted to know. So if you can also let me know in the comments if there's some sort of detail when it comes to reviews that you would like to hear for these bags, please let me know so that I can make sure that these are as thorough as you need them to be. I like to do lots of close-ups so that you can see the texture. I feel like it's the next best thing to touching or feeling the bag. And whenever I am looking at reviews on a bag, that's what I'm looking for, is really good close-up shots so that I can tell, like, what does it feel like? What is the size like? Definitely the dimensions I feel like are super helpful. So if you have a tape measure or a ruler or something you can pull out, that will give you a good idea how big this bag is. So thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Again, have the very best day. See you later.